Welcome to Rossfield in West Mobile, Alabama. This gold fortified home features 4 bedrooms with 2 full baths. It's almost 1,800 square feet and has a 2-car garage. This is one of the gold fortified homes, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance premium. Wow, look at that walk-in pantry. This home features luxury vinyl plank throughout the living areas. Welcome to the primary suite. The primary bath features dual vanities, a soaking tub, a separate shower, and a walk-in closet. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. Don't forget to ask about special incentives. When using the preferred lender, interest rates can be as low as 4.99 for a limited time. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call today and I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, social media, and my YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home.